Samaki wanaboresha ufugaji wa samaki.
Na Wakenya wametakiwa kutumia dawa za kiasili kama suluhisho kwa maisha yenye afya bora. Hayo yamesemwa kwenye tamasha ya vyakula maarufu halal ambayo iliandaliwa katika mtaa wa kifahari wa Karen. Afisa mkuu mtendaji wa kampuni ya Harriet Botanicals, Chebet Ngok, aliyesema hayo kwenye uzinduzi wa tawi jipya la kampuni hiyo. Ngok amesema kwamba dawa za kiasili ni suluhisho kwa changamoto nyingi ambazo wanawake na wanaume hupitia kila uchao, haswa wanaoishi mijini.
Herbal medicine has been, traditional medicine, herbal medicine, plant medicine has been with us for millions and millions of years. This is really just a recalibration of what our grandparents used to use. And if you notice, they had a longer lifespan, they lived a better life, they had longevity. At the same time they did not have these lifestyle diseases that we talk about all the time, whether it's diabetes or high blood pressure. They did not have a problem with fertility. So we have come to the conclusion that these old ancient formulas must be preserved. We must continue to use them because they are for Africans. They're made for Africans. They are sourced from Africa. We manufacture here. It's a much cheaper process than us importing all these medicines that may have side effects that we don't know about, or may be constituted of things that we don't know about. So the idea is to give you natural, fresh, organic, from Africa, made by Africans, distributed in Africans. This product is primarily for Africans in the cities and in the diaspora who didn't have access, or who no longer have access to what their grandparents would have given them whenever they have a tummy ache, or they feel a little pain during their menses, or they have a headache, or they keep getting recurrent colds, or they have blood pressure. So this is what we have brought to you.
Hai, mtazamaji, tukiendelea baraza la